Welcome to Flip-Flop, a planet where gravity has moods, breakfast sometimes sprouts legs, and mailboxes are opinionated. Jax had barely finished untangling her ceiling fan pancakes when chaos arrived, as it always did. Buildings floated, rivers flowed backward, sidewalks occasionally walked away. And the threads of glowing energy, they connected everything. Cats to bicycles, shoes to asteroids, pancakes to minor disasters. "Ah," said Gloop, a sarcastic floating blob. "Welcome to Flip-Flop. Your sneeze yesterday caused a llama stampede, 3 runaway pancakes, and 1 mild existential crisis. Congratulations, you are a planetary threat." "I just sneezed," Jax groaned as a rogue pancake hovered near her temple. Yes, and the planet celebrated. Every blink, thought, and sigh mattered. Focus too hard and reality bent. Ignore breakfast and it floated to orbit. Frown too much, and llamas rebelled. Zorblat, the hovering cat, glared telepathically. Really? Pancakes with legs? Again? And chaos wasn't limited to breakfast. Gravity zones rebelled, towns drifted, and furniture had feelings. Jax dodged a levitating chair and a juggling hot dog cart, muttering, "If nothing else, this planet keeps me humble." The citizens of Flip-Flop had adapted. They learned, sneeze responsibly, think strategically, laugh constantly, and always carry duct tape. Gloop offered guidance, sarcastically, of course, while the mayor's octopus bureaucracy argued with a mailbox over tax forms. Parades went spectacularly wrong. Pancakes became mini-athletes, llamas staged protests, and even asteroids occasionally winked in approval. Through it all, Jax learned the planet's secrets. Life is always moving, everything is connected, perception shapes reality, change is constant, and attention determines action. She orchestrated chaotic parades, navigated gravity rebellions, and taught citizens the art of survival, which mostly involved improvisation, laughter, and mild bribery of sentient breakfast items. By the end of the day, the threads pulsed, the llamas sighed, pancakes found their places, and Zorblat finally forgave the minor disasters. Temporarily. Jaxie laughed, not because it made sense, it never did, but because on Flip-Flop, if you didn't laugh, gravity would probably kick you in the teeth, and breakfast might revolt. Flip-Flop, the planet where breakfast is dangerous, chaos is mandatory, and surviving is the ultimate adventure.